how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once opened, tap on the Investing. This is the tab on your home screen. If you are not already logged into your account, enter your email address or phone number and password to do so. Then tap on Bitcoin. This is one of the titles. If you don't already have a Bitcoin purchased, you will need to purchase some first. After that, tap on Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. The text may vary, but you will be asked to verify your information. After that, enter your personal information. Cash App will ask you for your legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. In some cases, Cash App will ask for your full SSN, address, government-issued photo ID, and or proof at income. Cash App states that all submitted information is encrypted and securely sent to their servers only. After that, wait for the verification. This process can take minutes to hours, though it could be longer if you had to supply more information. Once you have been verified, you will receive a notification in Cash App. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.